Morning, it's Brian from Rindt Vehicle Design. Ludo presently working on a wide-bodied 911. Unbelievable the amount of bodges that have been found on that car. It's going to have a complete front end. However, Ludo does an incredibly good job and we're very thorough at what we do down at Rindt.
Hi, I'm Ludo. So this is a new project I'm going to be working on for the next 3 months probably, or even more I will say. So I just took both of the rear quarter off to be able to access on the rear garage as a kind of like common to rust in different areas. So as you can see, it's been fixed before with patches, patch. So all that's going to come off. It's going to be fixed again. The whole floor is going to come out completely. We're going to fix the inner seal, outer seal. B-pillar is going to go. The whole inner arch on the front and nose, that's going to have to go as well because, as you can see, it's patch after patch. So there is nothing I can do with that. So we have to come out and put a fresh sheet of steel in it, fresh steel in it, and that's it. So all the floor here, there's going to go all the way here, on the rear, and come all the way on the front of the nose. And it's going to be bolted down with the jig. So that's going to be my base to start rebuilding the car. So, yeah, as you can see, with that in, you cannot access inside to fix it properly. So best way is like take that off. So hope be able to get a car to the paint shop in probably 4 or 5 months, I think. All depending how it's going to be with the parts fitting and what else we're going to find rust-wise. And that's it really, yeah. It's going to be my job.
Just a quick intro into Cornel, one of our panel beaters, who I had a little set to with a few weeks ago when he wanted to take a wing off a 964 Targa, and I couldn't see a reason for it. To be fair to him, he was absolutely right. When he took the wing off, it revealed 3 or 4 areas of rust that, had he not taken the wing off, we'd have never have found. So, well done Cornel, good job.
Hi, hello, I'm Cornel. I work for Rindt Vehicle Design. I have this project, the Targa. And yeah, what can I say about it? In the first place, it didn't look that bad. Actually, it looked like in a good shape, but I was a bit curious and I said, let's take the quarter panels off and see what we find underneath. And yeah, surprise. A bit of rust, a bit more. Couple of holes, which proves that we done actually very well. Checking everything. This is what we like to do. So this looks how it looks in this stage, and I can show you on the other side. Here was quite bad. All this corner has been stripped and replaced. There was lots of rust. We still have something here underneath. Need to repair these points because when the car is going to be on the rotisserie valve, we are doing repairing that section. And also we put some epoxy on because are some areas, some specific area like here in the front, here in the back, where access is not that easy once the quarter panel is fitted on. So yeah, something which looked like a very easy job turned out to be well, not bad, but quite complex. But we are happy to provide a nice and good quality. This is what we do. Okay, in the front end. Looks actually looks good. We had also here we had some repair to be done, where we have to take I had to take the battery bracket off and repair everything underneath, because here had some accidents. The floor panel, and now everything look nice and rust free. And yeah, we are going with cleaning everything, make it shiny, nice and smooth and rust free. And afterwards, e-box for the next stage. We are going to put on the rotisserie, check everything underneath, everything to be in a good condition, and doing the trial with doors, wings, everything else. And afterwards the car will move to the paint shop. Yeah, so yeah, I think somewhere half of mid of January this will be ready for the paint shop. It's going to be lovely.